Is your phone battery draining too quickly? Worried about constantly running out of battery in the middle of the day? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 5 ways to ensure your phone battery lasts longer. The first step to prolonging your phone's battery life is to optimize your phone's settings. Here are some tips. Reduce brightness. Lower your screen brightness or set it to auto brightness. Bright screens consume more battery power. Turn off vibration. Vibration consumes more battery power than ringtones. Consider turning off vibration for calls and notifications. Manage background app refresh. Many apps refresh in the background, consuming battery power. Turn off or limit background app refresh for non-essential apps. By tweaking these settings, you can help extend your phone's battery life and get more usage time. The apps you use on your phone can also impact your battery life. Here's how you can manage your app usage efficiently. Close unused apps. Close apps that you are not using, especially those that consume a lot of power, like gaming or streaming apps. Disable push notifications. Push notifications constantly wake up your phone and drain the battery. Disable unnecessary push notifications. Update apps. App updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes, which can help optimize battery usage. By managing your app usage wisely, you can minimize the impact on your phone's battery and make it last longer. How you charge your phone can also affect its battery life. Follow these tips for optimal charging habits. Use original chargers and cables. Always use chargers and cables that are recommended by the phone manufacturer to ensure the right charging voltage and current. Avoid fast charging. Fast charging generates more heat, which can degrade battery health. Use regular charging instead of fast charging if you don't need to charge your phone quickly. Charge in cool and well-ventilated areas. High temperatures can degrade battery performance. Charge your phone in cool and well-ventilated areas and avoid charging on soft surfaces like beds or sofas. Avoid deep discharges. Avoid letting your phone's battery level drop below 20% frequently, as it can shorten the battery's lifespan. Avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can adversely affect your phone's battery life. Avoid exposing your phone to direct sunlight, extreme heat, or extreme cold for prolonged periods of time. By avoiding these charging habits, you can prolong your phone's battery life and ensure it lasts longer. Taking proactive steps, optimize your phone's settings, manage your app usage, and adopt healthy charging habits can greatly extend your phone's battery life, ensuring it lasts longer throughout the day. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can enjoy longer battery life and avoid the frustration of running out of battery when you need your phone the most. So remember, to make your phone battery last longer, it's important to be mindful of your settings, app usage, and charging habits. With a little effort and awareness, you can ensure that your phone's battery lasts longer and you stay connected when you need it the most. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips were helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Stay charged and stay connected.